Welcome to Latricia Creates. I am Latricia. In today's video, we're going to create a car decal using our Cricut machine. Let's take a look at the materials we're going to use for this project. We need permanent adhesive vinyl. This is Decal 651. We need transfer tape, a scraper tool, a weeding tool, an optional brayer, our green standard grip Cricut mat, our fine point Cricut blade, a Cricut machine, and a design. The design I'm using is coming from designbundles.net, and I will leave a link in the description below. You ready? Let's make it. I'm in Cricut Design Space. I'm going to go to the top right, click on New Project. That's going to take us to our canvas. Now that we're in our canvas, I want to go to the left menu, go all the way down to Upload, click on Upload, then go over to where it says Upload Image, click on Upload Image, go over to Browse, click on Browse, then I'm going to find my image, which is right here, slow down, all good, click Open. That's going to bring it to Design Space. Now we'll go to Upload. Click Upload down at the bottom right. Now we want to click on the image. Go down to the bottom right. Click Add to Canvas. Now that it's on our canvas, all we have to do is adjust it to the size that we want. I want mine to be about 5 inches tall. So I'm going to grab these two arrows, drag it down to about 5 inches tall. Okay, that's good enough. Now we're ready to make it. We're going to go to the top right, click on Make It, adjust the design on the mat, click Continue, connect machine. I already have my machine connected. I'm going to use my Maker. Now we're going to go to Browse All Materials. Click on that. In the search box, I'm going to search vinyl. Click Enter. And I'm going to click on Matte Vinyl. Click Done. And now we're ready to load our mat. I already have my fine point blade loaded into the machine, so we're ready to go. Let's get our mat loaded. I'm back at the cutting table. Now I'm going to add my vinyl onto the mat and load the mat. Press this flashing button to load the mat. Press the Cricut and let it go. Now I'm going to unload the mat and get ready to weed the design. I'm going to weed the design on the mat because it's easier that way, because it's already laid down and sticking to the mat. The design is all weeded. Now it's time for us to put our transfer tape on. So we're going to peel the backing off of the transfer tape. Fold it kind of like a U or a taco, as some people say, and drop it on, follow through. Now we'll get our scraper, scrape it down really good so that it will come off onto the transfer sheet. Here is our car decal. Now it's all ready to go onto the car. I'm going to put it back on here until I get ready to put it on the car. And remember, when you get ready to put your decal on the car, make sure you clean the window good and put it on there. You can either put it on there using the wet method or the dry method. I'm not going to show you how to do it in this video, but there are plenty of videos that will show you how to apply a decal. Here's a closer look at our car decal. It's all complete. I did have a little trouble weeding some of the tiny parts like the mouth and the nose and the little claws. I had a little trouble with that. Also, my vinyl wasn't big enough for the design, so the piece that was at the bottom kind of got cut off. So I just took it off completely because I didn't want to recut the design. So here's the final design. I'm going to put it on my car. I hope you're able to make one as well. If you got anything out of this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep creating.